Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have a Paloma cocktail. I hope you're all enjoying Dave's Cooking Show at its new time slot of 4 p.m. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe on the video, and if you like it, click the subscribe button. Now the YouTube stuff is out of the way, let's make a drink. Alright, basically, I'm squeezing in the juice of one small lime. If your limes are larger, then just use half of it. You want about 2 teaspoons of lime juice for this recipe. And if for whatever reason you can't get fresh limes, then just use the bottled lime juice. But for this, I prefer fresh limes. Then you want to add 2 ounces of tequila. Gold or clear, doesn't matter which. And then you want to top this with about 4 ounces of Fresca or any other grapefruit flavored soda you wish. And that's it. Oh, and obviously put ice in the glass beforehand. But that's the Paloma cocktail. Done. Oh, and of course, give it a little stir around. And actually the cocktail was pretty good, but Paloma. Done.